Hey friends, I'm Rick Walker. Welcome back to the SST Car Show. Good friend of mine, Sean Jackson, grew up with him. He grew up across the street from me. And his dad had a fantastic Chevy Nova. When I was a kid, they used to take it to the drag strip and race it. Sean recently started driving the car over the last few years, and now he's sharing it with his family. And over the winter, he invested some money, and him and his dad, John Jackson, from London, Ontario, Canada, started to restore the car. And they've been working on it all winter. The thing looks awesome now. They took the interior out, they stripped the car right down, they've done the body right on it, and the paint is gleaming. Now, John, his dad, has been thinking a little bit about selling the car, but Sean is really dead set against it. John enjoyed it for many, many years. It has come to mean something to Sean, and now he's sharing it with his family. And that is really what these old cars are all about, man. It's like about having them, enjoying them, driving them, and creating memories with them. And I hope that we get to make some new memories this summer, because I'm really hoping he takes me for a ride.
The entertainment is back for 2019 at Steve Plunkett's Fleetwood Country Cruise Inn. Bigger than ever, with 2 concert nights, capping off Canada's biggest outdoor car show. Friday, May 31st, see Paul Revere's Raiders, Gary Lewis and the PLAYBOYs,
This diamond ring doesn't shine for me anymore,
MITCH RYDER, and Peter Rivera of Rare Earth. Saturday, thousands of classics, customs, and street rods roll in. Meet celebrities including custom car legend Gene Winfield, along with TV stars Joe and Amanda of Iron Resurrection. Saturday night's dinner concert features Tony Orlando under the big top. The car show continues Sunday. It's an automotive extravaganza like no other. May 31st to June 2nd, 9282 Alviage Drive, London, Ontario. Visit FleetwoodCountryCruiseIn.com.